What's up, guys? I'm out here at Chassahowitzka Wildlife Management Area, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. All that I'm going to be doing is aerial shots of Chassahowitzka. I'm going to get some good shots of Eagle's Nest and Buford Springs and some of the other cool little spots that I know of out here. I think it'd just be cool to put together a nice little aerial footage of the woods that I love to go to. Let's get going, and I will see you at the end of the video. Alright, and that is gonna do it for the little aerial adventure we had today out in Chassahowitzka. I hope you liked everything that you saw. I'm new to drones, so I'm not professional, but I'm getting there because I need to add all this cool aerial stuff to the content. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. It's really gonna help us out to build this channel up. You know, I say that every single time, but it's the truth. It's really gonna help us out. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next one.